Trees are a vital source of oxygen for our planet. The Amazon rainforest, once called the lungs of our planet, is being destroyed by industries all around the world today. Covering 14% of the land, rainforests only cover 6% of the land today. Ecosystems such as this pond are being destroyed today by the effects of cutting down trees. Litter like this speeds up the destruction of rainforests. You can slow down the destruction of rainforests by recycling, as it would cause for less trees to need to be cut. You can help by writing letters to corporations that are responsible for destroying rainforests, as well as donating and supporting corporations that are helping save rainforests.